Hello children, hope you all have read the textbook. Today we are going to discuss about diseases. We have already studied about what is a disease. A disease is an abnormal condition in which the body is not able to function properly. We learned about two types of diseases. One in which a particular part of your body stops functioning. The other one was if your body lacks a particular nutrient, that means a vitamin or mineral. Diseases are of different types, but generally they are classified into two: non-communicable and communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are the diseases which do not spread from one person to another, just like diabetes that we have mentioned in last class. It is because of the problem that is within our body. Maybe if our body part is not functioning, maybe because of the lack of vitamin or mineral. They are also called as deficiency diseases. The second type is communicable diseases. They are the dangerous ones. Communicable diseases are the diseases which spread from one person to another. Recently, we are facing the threat of a communicable disease. What is it? COVID-19. You have several other communicable diseases like chickenpox, plague, cold, fever. They all spread from one person to the other. They are termed as communicable diseases. So today we will study about some important non-communicable diseases or deficiency diseases. Let's take a look at it. The first type of non-communicable or deficiency disease is night blindness. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A in our body. A person who is affected by night blindness will have poor vision in dim light, especially during night time. In case of deficiency or non-communicable diseases, the only way to prevent or cure it is to eat food rich in the particular nutrient or vitamin or mineral that is lacking in our body. For example, here a person will be having night blindness if vitamin A is not present or if there is a deficiency of vitamin A in their body. So a person having deficiency of vitamin A who is having night blindness should eat food items rich in vitamin A to get cured. I have given some pictures of food items rich in vitamin A. You can take a look at it. Green leafy vegetables, mango, papaya, egg yolk, milk are all rich in vitamin A. The next type of deficiency disease is beriberi. Very interesting name, isn't it? Beriberi is a deficiency disease caused by the lack of vitamin B1. There are different types of vitamin Bs, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B7, B9, B12. Here lack of deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. A person having beriberi will have a weak nervous system and loss of appetite. What is a nervous system? Nervous system is a system that controls the whole functioning of our body. And if it affects the nervous system, the whole body will be affected by it. Loss of appetite. Appetite means the desire for having food. If we don't have the desire for having food, that can affect our health and our growth. Food items rich in B1 are unpolished rice. Unpolished rice means the outer layer of the rice is not removed. It is also called brown rice. Unpolished rice, milk, meat, peas and green vegetables are rich in vitamin B1. So a person suffering from beriberi should try to eat food rich in B1 to get cured. The third type of deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C in our body. A person having scurvy will have bleeding gums in your mouth. It starts bleeding. And there will be swelling in the joints. What is a joint? A point where two bones meet together is called a joint. Your elbow, knee, wrist, ankle are all having joints. So there will be swelling in the joints because of the lack of vitamin C. The food items rich in vitamin C are citrus fruits, amla, tomato, sprouted grains and pulses. The next type of deficiency disease is rickets. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D in our body. Rickets makes the bones soft. From the picture, you can clearly see that this is a normal man's leg and this is a person having rickets. In the second case, you can see that the bones of the leg is a little bit bent. That means the bones become soft and it cannot be straight. The bones start bending because it cannot withstand the whole weight of the body. So that is a dangerous situation. Food items rich in vitamin D are milk and milk products. You all love to drink milk and you are allowed to eat milk products. So if you eat more milk products and drink more milk, you can be free of rickets. These were all deficiency diseases due to lack of vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C and vitamin D. Now we are going to learn about two other deficiency diseases caused due to the lack of a particular mineral in our body. The first example is goiter. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of a mineral iodine. We learned in last class, iodine is essential for the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones. If iodine is lacking in a person's body, the thyroid gland will struggle to produce the thyroid hormones, and because of this hard work, it starts getting enlarged in the neck region. That is coming out as goiter. See, you can see it clearly from the picture given here. A person who lacks iodine in his body should eat iodized salt. Eating iodized salt doesn't mean that you have to go take a spoon of salt and eat it. No. You are adding it in the curry, that is enough for your body. A very little amount of iodine is needed for your body. And also seafood is rich in iodine. So a person affected by goiter can also have seafood that can cure this disease. The next type of deficiency disease is anemia. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of a mineral iron in our body. Iron is essential to produce hemoglobin in our blood. What is hemoglobin? It is a red colored pigment that gives red color to the blood, as well as it carries oxygen to different parts of the body. You know that the oxygen that we breathe is taken to different parts of our body with the help of blood or through the blood, and that carrying is done by hemoglobin. So if iron is deficient in our body, hemoglobin will be less. If less hemoglobin is there, oxygen carrying will also be less. That can affect the working or the functioning of the body parts. So a person who is having anemia should eat food rich in iron. Dates, apple, banana and jaggery are rich in iron. So these are the different types of non-communicable or deficiency diseases around us. We can just take a look at it once again. Night blindness caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, beriberi caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1, scurvy caused by the deficiency of vitamin C, rickets caused by the deficiency of vitamin D, goiter caused by the deficiency of a mineral iodine, anemia caused by the deficiency of iron. The second type of disease is communicable disease that we can discuss in the next class. Read your textbook. Thank you.